What a move! 2 points. What a move! Hermanes. Paalam mo sa'yo, Boyet. Step back. Play number 28.
Mga boss, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo sa May Bunga Covered Court at mapapanood natin ang laban ng Liga ng May Bunga 2026 at ang maglalaban Senior Division Morning Boys versus Salute. Mga boss, pakisubscribe naman po ng YouTube channel ko, Boss Alam Vlog. Yung mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe po. Maraming salamat po.
Ito po yung mga 6'8", pagkal po. Paki ng mga jersey. Hey,
Start of the ball game.
start na. Dino. Whoop. Big ball. For 3.
Opa.
3 points. Point number 21.
Ayun. Ayun.
To number 24. To number 11 sa Mujok. Number 24. Steal. Pass break ang bilis. Pass break ang bilis. Oh, no good. To Marcelino. Dire-diretso. Drop pass. No good. Official score 3-0. Ganda na laban to. 19 strength. Number 20. Number 21. 8 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. For 3. Good. No good pa rin. 2 points by Marcelino. Official score 3-2. After viewing kay Boss Alan Vlog, please like and subscribe sa kanyang channel. 2 points by Samudio.
Mamaya, lapag ka dyan. Kaya nyo kami isang balot para sa inyo. Kunin nyo isang balot sa amin mamaya.
40 seconds to shoot. Uy, and there's a foul. Ay,
18 pala, 18 yan. 17 pare. 18.
3 points, no good. Agawan. Rebound. Number 13, ang bilis. Trapas. What a move. 2 points. Basic na basic. Pass break o. Oy, there's a foul. Number 3. To number 13, what a pass. And there's a foul. For ZZ. Uy, what a move. 2 points. Play number 2. Hermanes. Paalam na sa'yo, Boyet. Official score on 8. Ganda na labang to. To number 14. Trapa sa ilalim. What a move. No move. Pass break. Kay number 11. Easy basket.
Coach yan na. Sa mga bata.
Easy basket by Samudio. 12-8. Official score. 5 minutes and 28 seconds left. Crossover. Pull-up jump. No good. Ayun na, pinasabay na kay Samudio. What a move. 2 points. By number 0, Marcelino.
Go, time out.
14. Right out. The score 14-8 in favor of Morning Boys. 4 minutes and 7 seconds left. Time remaining.
Soft drinks, meron tayo.
Oops, and there's a foul. Official score 15-8. In favor of Morning Boys, 4 minutes and 30 seconds left. Durek na ito, gandang pasa. So wala, pass break. Number 11, what a move. 2 points by Samudio. 17-8. Labang na. Lumulubog na ang alabangan. 15 seconds to shoot. To number 3, pull-up jump. Basket. 2 points by number 3. Marcelino, drop pass sa ilalim, and there's a foul. Ay sa Budyo. No good pa din ang second shot. Official score 17-10. 3 minutes and 36 seconds left. 10 seconds to shoot. Ayun na, pass break na naman ang mabilis. Samudio, gandang pasa, at there's a foul.
Okay, wala pala din natin na eh.
Pasok. 19. 10 ang ating score. Favor of Morning Boys. 3 minutes left. Number 40. Step back. And number 28. Play number 28. 19-13. For 3. No good.
Maagawan.
Two points for number 22. What a move. 19-15. 2 minutes and 27 seconds left. What time remaining?
Tulis yung tira.
Sige, bukas ah. Sila mano, alam mo. dami-dami oh.
Official score 23-15. One minute and 45 seconds left.
Shoot ka rin.
3 points. 23-18, 1 minute and 27 seconds left. 2 points. One minute left. Number 14, no good.
Mga motor na, yung mga motor, tataas yung bumbero nyo.
Yung mga motor na po, makiayos lang po doon. Makikisuyo lang po. Pero namin. Steal. Number 87. 2 points. 29-18. 35 seconds left. Two points. Seconds left. Whoa, 2 points. 31-20.
And the first quarter.
And in the first quarter, official score 31-20 in favor of Hornet Boys.
Second quarter.
Yes, 2 points for number 27.
Basta sa kabila ng barangay, yung ano doon, yung kantin.
Bernabet, 2 points of biggest score. Kasay sa Mudyo.
Okay na kumain, ayun ang hero sa'yo eh.
5 seconds to shoot. No good. Number 87, Ingararo na. No good pa din. Number 21, no good pa din. Step back 3. No good. 35-20. Kusamujo, napaganda pa. 2 points by number 87. Wala pass. Oy. No good pa din. Timo na number 87, pinasa sa gitna. Wala pa din. Wala, 2-1. Number to number 21, pull up jump. To number 3, 4-3. Wala pa din. Pass break ni Samudio, basket, 2 points by Samudio. Three points by number 20.
Kung pinag-aayos lang nila, ayan o. Kaya dami na naman naman. Kanya pa o.
Oy, karabi ni ba?
Ayun na kuya.
39-23. Number 3. Uy, sinausaw na. Isaw ng number. Fake. No good, remove number 3 again. Wala pa din. Oy. Say 15 seconds left. Uy! 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds shot clock for 3. No good. Takaw ni number 47. Galing ito na. Still by number 3. For a Salvador. Woo! What a move. Number 3. Kitang-kita sa highlight ni Boss Alan yun. Kaya i-follow nyo na ang YouTube channel ni Boss Alan.
Ang pangalan nun.
Please like and subscribe. Nandito ang mga maiinit na laro. 41-25. Number 45 to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Lower the rebound. Rebound with the Prias.
What the wins?
41-25. Nice pass. Yes, 2 points. By Samudio.
Next quarter na. Next quarter, dalawa na.
25-23. 43 points by number 55. 5 minutes and 20 seconds left.
Kaya.
Resistensya mo.
Mas break.
No good. You go by number 7. Vinisa. Number 87. No good pa rin.
Mabis na.
To number 8. Oops, wala pa rin. You go by number 87. Bordeaux, 2 points. 48-25. Wala pa rin.
Tinitignan na.
48-25, 4 minutes and 30 seconds left. There's a 4 minutes left. $27.50, 10 seconds to shoot. Double zero, we have 87, step back. Yes, 2 points. 52-27. 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. For 3 points by number 3.
Tawas niya.
52-30. Turn around. And there's a foul. Number 14, second personal foul. Pasok sa Brad. Push and score. Number 20, heading the play. To number 22. Turn around. So good. And there's a foul. 30. Double dribble number.
Ay, pag ikay.
Lakas ko na.
Pag alam mo, nare-rebound.
Number 8. To number 47 for Kagiwa. Double dribble naman rin. Kagiwa make. Jump. So good. What a move. Double dribble number 8 again. Mabigat. 2 points by number 20.
Kailangan na rin.
53-32. Uy, and there's a foul. Basket. Uy. Pull up jump, 2 points with number 3. 1 minute and 50 seconds left. The break. Uy, fake. Pinami 47, Mark Nagiwa. Nabitawan. Pass break na. Mabakabilis. 2 points in number 3. Finish na na. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. To the break. Trap pa sa ilalim. Fake. Jump. Yes, 2 points. Play number 18. 57-36, 1 minute left. Full of jump. No good. Zero. To number 55. No good. Fake. 2 points. Play number 55. Pavilion. 40 seconds left. 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up jump. No good. Okay, pull up jump. No good again. 20 seconds left. Number 13. Wala. Giveaway number 3. 2 points. 10 seconds left. 5. So good. You know. Shoot.
End of second quarter.
Next game. Basketball pa lang next game natin.
Score.
39-38. May next game pa tayo. Last game.
91.
Abangan morning boys. Third quarter.
Full of jump. No good. Two points with number 24. Number 3 crossover. Terapas. To number 3. Oh, there's a foul. No good. Number 8, Marcelino. The basket by Marcelino. 63-39. 9 minutes left.
Ah,
15 seconds to shoot. Lock 2. Oh, no good. Fast break. Again. 2 points by Samudio. Wakami.
Yan ang pangkalma naman.
Okay. 65-39. Official score. Lock 3. No good. Marcelino. Oh, there's a foul.
Napagkano din, no? Mastership po. Basic to basic.
67-39, 8 minutes and 20 seconds left. Steal by Manalo. To Marcelino. Walabas. And there's a foul. First. Second shot is in. Yeah. That's over number 3. Number 3. Inigay mo na yan. 2 points by number 3. What a hook.
late na eh.
15 seconds to shoot. Marcelino. Boy, 3 seconds. 41. 69-41. Ang score. So number 19, nag-iisa. Walang katulad. So good. Ang 24, ang ganda. Lista mo na yan, 2 points. Pwede mo sa Mujo. Baba sa 13-point lead. Ang hinahabol ng color pink. Pull-up jump sa 3. 3 points.
Kadali.
Oh, ang salute. Number 0. Ganda na naman. 2 points by Samudio. Kaya na, binabring na. Kay number 3. Number 3. No good.
Hindi na challenge yung mga.
Number 3. Pasok. 76-44. Number 14. Post to post, no good. To Samudio. To number 49. Step back. Block. To number 13. Nag-iisa. Wala pa din. 76-44. Basic basketball, 2 points by number 48. Five minutes and 40 seconds left for 3. So good, rebound by number 13. Yes, 2 points. Number 1 in again. Wala. Kuha niya ba din? So good. Lock 3. No good pa din. 5 minutes and 8 seconds left. Sabi nga, nakuha ni number 11. To number 48. Turn around. Jump. Wala pa din. Steal. So pink ball.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Score, 46-78 in favor of Morning Boys.
Okay, just score 78-46. Oh yeah. Point number 3, 10 seconds to shoot. Crossover. Number 3, walk a pass. Double rebound niya pa din. 2 points by number 3. Galing ito na. Number 18, there's a foul versus Belize 3. Yun no? 79-48, 4 minutes left. Ten seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 14. Number 14 paint. So good. Ang bilis na. Number 3 to number 14. Yes, 2 points by number 14. Number 97, paint juice, 2 points. By number 18. 81-52. 4-3. No good. 81-52, 3 minutes left. Uy, pinali pa. Kapag 2 points by number 11 sa Mucho. Galing. 83-52. What a good year. Number 14, pull-up jump sa 3. No good. Fake, jump, no good. Number 14, 2 points. 83-54, 2 minutes and 36 seconds left. Number 8, nawalan. 10 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Double. Kapitan. Nakakaibaw ng pick. Number 19. Pinasa sa gilid. Pull of 3. 2 points. By number 10. 85-57. 1 minute 48 seconds left. Number 8, Page, jump. Double to go number 11. To number 48, 2 points. By Santos. There's a foul. Si Mike Diwa. Page to number 19 for 3 points. By number 19. Galing. Number 1.
Yung buenas eh.
Bullet jump for 3. One minute left. Forty-five seconds left.
Wala na nga eh. Hati-hati na sila.
40 seconds left.
Susukli daw. Ako ba nawalan?
Mamaya, ikusog sila eh.
Ako ka talaga.
Kota Diwa, umersa. Tobud. Ang lalim nun, Kota Diwa. 50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds left. Tobud, rebound ni Santos. 5 seconds left. Yes, 2 points.
End of third quarter.
Future score 89-16. Favor of Morning Boys. Last quarter tayo. Next game.
Fourth quarter.
Long 3. No good. By number 19. By number 3. Abdilis. 2 points by number 3. What a move by number 3. Number 8. To number 47. Marfa Diwa. Double to Diwa. 89-62. Number 48. May kasama pa foul. Yes. Number 47. To number 8. To number 40. To number 87. No good. Number 3. One a group. Abdilis. 2 points by number 22. 89-67. Number 8. Long 3. No good. Nice pass. No good pa rin. 89-67. To number 40. Wait. Ganda pa sa yan. Marta Diwa. Solo. Wala nang kalaban doon. Itawi mo pa. Number 3. 2 points by number 3. Time out. $89-69. Sabujo. To Santos. Oh, inatabi ka. Number 14, to number 55, 14. Ayun. Pass rin ka naman, na napakabilis. Fake, naagawan. Si Santos. To Samudio. Samudio, to number 97, Dela Santos. Pasa pala yun, fake. Nandun sa foul. No good ang second shot. 90, 69, 7 minutes and 10 seconds left. Pull-up jump, no good. Ibabay number 13, 2 points. 7 minutes left para sa ating last quarter. Samudio, to number 87, Dela Santos. Oy, there's a foul. No good ang body shot. Pero nakuha yung Samudio, no good. Oy, nice box out yun. 92, 71, 6 minutes left. Easy basket by number 3. Number 11. Ang lakas. To number 22. Yes, basket. 2 points by number 22. 75-92. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 55. Nakagawan. 3 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds. 92-75. 6 minutes left. Number 3 crossover. Pull-up jump. No good. Barcelino. Ganda na lang ang pasa. No good. Pass break. 2 points by number 48. 92-77. 5 minutes and 25 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 3. Not good. Save. Barcelino. 10 seconds to shoot. No good na rin. Number 3. To number 13, 2 points. 79-92.
Kaunti na lang.
To Pavilion. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 3. No good. Big ball. Going sa 20 seconds left. For 3. No good. 4 3 there. 3 points. Win number 24. Official score 95-79. 4 minutes left. Number 3 crossover. Pasa sa dilet. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 14, goal pass. Yes, 2 points by number 3. Number 11, to Santos. Number 11. Number 13. Ay, number 13. Wala pa din. Marcelino, coast to coast. Oh, good. Ay na, to number 3. Aliup. No good. 3 minutes left para sa ating last quarter. Next game, meron pa, Please 3, Apok versus Red Riders. At next game natin, 10 seconds to shoot. One of us, 2 points win number 11. Number 14, no good, rebound niya pa rin, 2 points win number 14. Right to 783. Number 14. Uy. Was out there, number 3. Uy. Number 3. Wabog. Tapikan. Rebound ni Santos. Tumang Sinino. Last 2 minutes. 2 points with Marcelino, coast to coast. To number 10, to number 3, to number 14. Yes, 2 points by number 14.
Dumikit.
99-85 ang ating score. Fast break. PC basket by number 14. 1 minute and 30 seconds left.
Hindi ka pumasok eh. Papasabit na sila.
99-87. 1 minute and 15 seconds left. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Boy, and there's a foul. Basket. From Kyrie. Bonus shot, yes. 1 minute and 10 seconds left. To number 14, Corazover. To number 13, Dere Derecho. 2 points. $89-102. 50 seconds left. Still 40 seconds left. What a group. 2 points. Ista mo na yan. Bay na veterans. Still, bay na veterans. Wala ba rin. Tabikan. Oh. Big ball. 30 seconds left. Number 3. For 3. No good. Ibabay na veterans. Wala ba rin. Two points by Sabudra. Congratulations to all winners.
End of the ball
Congrats
game. Final
to
score.
Morning Boys.
91-104. Winner, Morning Boys. Mga boss, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlogs at huwag niyong kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Boss Alam Vlogs at isama niyo na rin ang
Boss Alan,
Kagyanes
thank you sa
Vlog.
merienda.
Ang nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay.